Hello everybody, how are you? How are you feeling? Have a good news, huh? Yeah. So today I received some half of parts from Gearbox. It's a gears actuator. Okay. The man called me, would say some problem. Some of this is gone. Okay. So what you do? What I tell him? Send me this part, the gears actuator, and I will help you. The car is on another city. It's about 300 kilometers from here. So let's help to this guy, and we will see how I can help you in future. Okay, so let's check what I received. So I received this packet. Look. Yeah, and this. Okay. Oh, you see, this is the gears actuator and shaft for his. So look, what is the problem? You see, this is the problem. Two of these is gone. I tell him, I will make full repair. It's need to repair these two motors and check how the nut is tight on this state. So what I will do, I will give him this another gear and we'll check and rebuild all of this unit. And sometimes, sometimes this bolt is coming out and make the problem. But this shaft never broken. Okay. So I will remove. This will open. Okay. I will remove. Oh, also this coming out. This in good condition. It's also never broken. Maybe sometimes. Okay. Let's remove two sensors. The question is, you see, they're not open. Nope. Oh. One sensor. Another one. Oh. Yes. So, and let's remove these two motors. Oh, see how many dust it has inside. Okay. And also the motor, but look, it has half of brushes, so we need to change them. It's one motor. Let's remove another one. Let's look. Oh, and this motor is in excellent condition. The brushes like new. So see, one of them half of brushes, and this okay. So what we need to check this nut. Not now. And this nut. Oh, this nut I can check. Let's. Oh, you see, it need too little tight. Yes, that's all. Now it's good. Okay. So let's repair this motor, change this gear, and put all back that will be ready to install. So I rebuilt the motor. Now it has new brushes, you see. It's in excellent condition. All clean. ready to install. Sometimes it's hard, difficult, need to yes. So the motor is ready. The new gear, you see what's the difference? Yeah. So let's install all back. These two bolts are broken. I will not do anything, nothing, because I have another two and it's enough, okay? Because need to harm, we have seal, oil seal, it will broken, no need. Two, it will work fine. So let's start. Okay, what we need how to do it. Okay, let's do it. Tak. We need to put this back. Okay, and this one, yes, like this. Yes, it's very easy. Now this one. Oi. Okay, now we need to install this sharp back. How to do it? Look, this plastic gear we moving to this way, and first of all, don't forget to make mark to the mark. Oh, it's not moving. Opa. Okay, I need to take screwdriver. Oh, yes. As you can see, mark to the mark. Okay, now I'm moving to the middle, and now I do this, take this and install the shaft. Install this way. I rotate to this way that the first teeth will inside the first Oh, yes, 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 yes. Okay, let's check. When the shaft is fully inside, this must be on this position. The sensor must be on this position. See? Now I will mark it. That if them will remove the shaft, they will have the marks. Okay. And you see? And now let's check again this mark that we have. All good. Let's rotate. Yes, all good. You see? This on this. Now we will put on the middle and we'll mark again. On the middle. This part. For this. Let's do some marks. Okay. Now yes, and this no matter. We need to take this. Yes, it's so we have 3 market area. That's all. Now we can install the motors. Let's say I want to this sensor was on this, but we can't do it. Yes, it's not enough. So we turn by easy, not this, this, but just not this enough. Look, here click, yeah, yes. Так, and put it back. That shaft will now go out. Okay. Now let's grease the bolts for future. That will no any problem. Right, it's moving. Yes, it's moving because it has some spring. Yeah. And now we install. You see? Okay. Yes. It's too much grease. Now it's ready. It's ready to install. So if you need to do this repair, or if you need this part or motor, I can send you, you can send me this part to myself. I will repair and send you back ready to install, fully repaired. I forgot one thing I also do. Look, I always put the silicone grease to the contacts that will know any corrosion, any rust. So thank you for watching. If you need some help, some part, call me, message me. I will help you. Good luck. Yeah.